guys, this is me Ridit from Triple C who is coming at you with another video. So there's an online cubing competition named the COVID Cubing Competition, which is organized by a channel named Decoding Cube. The link to his channel and the particular video will be in the description box below. So I am participating in the 3x3 competition, and also the competition he has given me 5 scrambles, and you have to basically solve it, and who solves it the quickest wins. So I'm not the quickest cuber, and another thing, I will be solving all the cubes with the beginner's method, not the advanced method or F2L or CFOB, but I will be using the beginner's method. That's just my preference. So let's get started with our video. I have my first scramble over here, so it starts like this: D, B2, U prime, F2, L, L2, D, B2, D2, F2, D, R2, B, D prime, R, F, U prime, L prime, F prime, R prime, B. So here's the condition of the cube. I'll be starting here. So let me just turn on my timer. Here we go. The timer. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Not the best of starts. First layer done. Second layer done. That's 54.29 seconds in the first solve. So let's try the second solve. Let me show you the first solve right here. 54.29 seconds, which is not bad. So let's try another solve. I have my second algorithm here, which is going to be R prime, D2, F prime, R2, B, L2, F prime, L2, R2, B, D2, B prime, R, U prime, R, D prime, L, R prime, U prime, R2 and F. So condition, there it is. So now I'm going to start again with yellow. That is my signature color. Here we go. So let's start the time. Could have got a better start. Second layer is solved. that's 1 minute 3 seconds and 0.56. Could have been better, but let's go to the third algorithm then. The third scramble here, so let's get started then. L U D L2 D F prime U L2 D prime U2 R prime B2 R B2 R prime U2 D2 R prime U2 and D2. So conditions. So let's get started with our timer. Let me examine it first. Okay. Pretty good start. First layer salt. They stopped 57.22. Not bad. I've got three I've 3 times solved the cube. One was I think nearly something 54, 1 minute 3, and then the 57. So again this will be based on the average time. So let's see what my average time will be after 2 scrambles more. So the second last scramble will be D L2 R2 F2 D R2 U2 B2 U F2 U2 B2 R prime F R2 U2 R prime F2 and D prime. So conditions again, this is the condition of the cube. So we examine it. Okay, let's get started with our timer. Good start, I would say. First layer is done. Second is also done. I got the worst case in the third layer. Not the worst, but a pretty bad case, just to say the least. Stop 57.60, not bad. So let's get to our fifth scramble will be like this: B D prime R2 U D2 B prime R2 D2 D2 L and D B2 L2 F2 B2 D B2 D2, R2, F2, B2, U prime. So conditions again. So okay, let's examine this. Okay, we go 3, 2, 1, start. Half decent start there. Please ignore the background disturbance. This time I think it will be the lowest of the lot. I think, because no. Okay, this was half decent. Okay. As I told you, the worst 19.79. So that was the 5 solves. Now let me figure out the average and let me report to you. My average has come out to be 60.4. I personally thought it could have been better, but there's always a room for improvement, and it is what it is. So a shout out to Decoding Cube for hosting this challenge, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also comment down what would be your time in this competition.